Assalamu alaikum guys. This is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Today our topic is be born. Guys, in this video I am going to explain be born. It's a short topic, so try not to skip the video. Watch it till the end so that you will come to know, or you will come to understand that what is be born. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with the topic be born. Now what is be born? What does it mean, how to use it, where to use it? See, be born is used to talk about a person's birth. It is used to talk about someone's birthplace or time. Whenever we want to know about someone or about a person's birthplace or date or time, then we have to make a question with be born. Now you must be thinking that what is be? It is a helping verb, right? Be means as mr and was were. It means as mr and was were. Is this clear? So see the structure. It has two kind of structures, right? So see the first one. I, he, she, it, singular name plus was plus born plus time or place. Now what does this structure mean? This structure means that with I, he, she, it or singular name we use was. With this subject, with I, he, she, it and singular name we use was. Is this clear, guys? With singular, I must say, with singular we use was. So after this plus born plus time or place. Is this clear? See the another structure. You, we, they, plural names, right? Plural names plus word plus born plus time or place. As I said that with singular name, what do I mean by singular name? We have to have a single name. We have to have a single name. After that, after a single name, we have to use was. Is this clear? So in this structure, you, we, they, plural name, right? Plural name. What does it mean? It means that we have to have two names. After two names, we have to use word. Is this clear? After two names we have to use word, or with those subjects we have to use word which are plural. So you, we, they, plural name plus word plus born plus time or place. Is this clear, guys? Now come to the example. After example you will come to know. They were born in England. They were born in England. I use word. Why did I use it? Because here I have plural subject. Plural subject, as you can see in the structure, you, we, they. With they I use or we use were. Is this clear? So they were born in England. Now we want to know, we wanted to know that where are they born or where were they born. So they are or they were born in England. Here it shows us a place. As you can see, time or place. So it shows here a place. Is this clear? Now we came to know we came to know after this example that they were born in England. Is this clear? See the second example. Abbas was born in Pakistan. Abbas was born in Pakistan. So now here I have a singular name, right? I have a singular name. So that's why I have used was. I did not use that word, Abbas word. This is completely wrong because I said that with singular name you use was. So Abbas is a singular name and I use was. Is this clear? In this example I wanted to know, I want to know that where was Abbas born? Where was Abbas born? So I want to know about the place where he was born, right? So Abbas was born in Pakistan. Abbas was born in Pakistan. So this, I wanted to know about place. So Pakistan is a place. It is a country, so it is a place. Is this clear? See the another example. She was born in Karachi on 25th August 1998. So in this example, I want to know about the place as well as about the time. I want to know about, I want to know about them. I mean time and place. So you can see she was born in Karachi on 25th August 1998. So here I have singular, singular subject. So he is a singular, right? So after this I have to use was. I have to use was, not were. So she was born, as you can see, in the structure. So after was we have to use born. Then this is a place in Karachi. This is a place, right? Karachi is a city name which is located in Pakistan. So she was born in Karachi. So I came to know about her birthplace. Now I want to know about her birth date, right? Date or time. So she was born in Karachi on 25th August 1998. So I also came to know that about her time, birth of time. So she was born in Karachi on 25th August 1998. So whenever we want to know about someone's birthplace or birth time, then we have to go for born, right? Be born. So B means was, were. B means was, were. You have to put was or were according to the pronoun in place of be. So she was born in Karachi on 25th August 1998. Is this clear, guys? Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.